That's a good one, Pete. That's a good one, Pete. That's a
All right, what's up, man? Welcome back, man. We back in here, man. K and J, Auto Serves with KJ, man. Let's get it, man. Today we got a GNX bill. I've been telling y'all I was gonna bring that GNX bill to y'all, and now here it is, guys. Let's go. Let's get it. Y'all know how we do it. All right, so rock with me. So I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of the card, and I'm gonna talk about a little bit of it. So. All right, man. So we're gonna start out. It's the GNX. It's the Grand National. Well, let's not say Grand National. It's the Regal. We converting it to a Grand National. We got the 455 in it with a small mile cam in it, 3000 style torque converter, Demon carburetor on the top of it. We're gonna go with a serpentine system on it. We're gonna put the headers on it. We got a lot of video of my boy already talking about all that, so I don't want to go too much into detail of that because he got all that. But as y'all can see, I'm the man that's doing the job, man, so let's get it, man. We got the 455 in here. We got the, like I said, man, it's a Gen X. Our Gen X, 455, let's get it. You see that? 455 Gen X, let's go. So let me walk y'all around to this side. All right, so right now in motion, that's what we got going. So that's what we got going. Got the Dynamat on the doors. I got videos of that. Got footage coming of that where y'all can see me doing the Dynamat on the doors. My boy J Rock done all the Dynamat on the doors, so I'm not gonna take the credit for that. But on the floor, we done the floor. As you can see, the complete dash is out. I also got video footage of that pulling the dash out. I also got video footage of the dash getting redone, man. So let's get it. Y'all boys want to see some real cars? Let's get it, man. We finna do this thing. All right, so the seats are out of a Mustang. We finna get all this redone. As y'all can see, we got the suede headliner going on in there. Steering column coming up out of here. This coming up out of here. Steering wheel coming up out of here. We put the B&B shifter in the floor. So quick shifter in there. So that's gonna be prepared. We got the electric windows. We converted it over to electric windows. As you can see, got a video on that too. But you can see the wire right here for New Relics. All this is New Relics. So man, there they go. New Relics, good stuff, man. So I haven't done this side yet. As you can see, it's still like that. So I gotta come on this side and do this one. Just so y'all know, I ain't on no BS. It's still on this side. So that side you can see, it ain't over there no more. So it's ready. That side is ready. I also got a video coming of that showing y'all the window going up and down. I got video of me doing the suede headliner. I got video doing the back headliner back there on the back panel. So man, we're gonna do a lot of big things with this car, man. We got the suspension. We're gonna do wheel wood brakes on it. Doing a new steering wheel in it. I mean, it's gonna be ready for the show, man. We're touching every part of this car, and it's gonna have a Dakota digital dash in the inside, wired up and ready to go. So let's get it, man. K&J's Auto Service with KJ and J Rock Blige. Let's go.